counted me out. They thought it was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly.
You too, what it do, man? 78 Chevy boy, we out here today. Finna pull old Penny out, man. I checked the tire pressure on all the tires yesterday. She dusty. Man, I'm finna pull it out, make me a block. Just ain't really been feeling up to it, man. Just to tell the truth, really ain't been feeling up to it. Boss lady told me, baby, get on out. Go make you some blocks and get you some therapy, clear your head. You know, I just ain't really been feeling up to it. But, man, we finna go and pull old girl out, man. We finna pull her out. Cold start. Last time I pulled it out, I think was when I did the pictures for the young lady, man. And boy, I don't know. I have it. By the time I put the video up, I'll look in there and see how long it's been. But it's been a minute. It's been about, since last time I drove it, probably coming up on 2 months again, man. About 50 days, 50, 60 days, man, for real. So, cold start. I didn't show y'all how clean my bike was, man. Let me go get my bike, show y'all how clean my bike is, my bicycle. Boy, that junk so clean. I put some Hummerall on that junk. Got it all looking all good, man. Man, check it out. Man, that junk so clean. Man, that junk like a brand new bike, man. Look like a brand new bike. Hold on. Man, that junk like a brand new bike, man. I ain't have to do them to bring it back. Y'all know how I keep them cars clean. Clean, boy. Ready to ride. Yes, sir. Oh, we ready. We ready, man. Hold on. We ready, man. We ready, man. We ready to bike, man. Hold on. Let me show y'all something, man. Man, we ready to bike, bro. Listen to me now. Like I told y'all, this ain't no middle of the mall bike here, man. This ain't no middle of the mall bike here. For real. How many of y'all got y'all bicycles, man, that y'all ride? Huh? How many of y'all got y'all bicycles that y'all ride, man? I ordered me a kickstand, cause this junk didn't even come with a kickstand. You know what I'm saying? It didn't even come with one, man. I used to walk a bike back in the day. This junk here so real, I can't even pick it up. It ain't like picking up one of them little, I think it's the way the geometry of the frame. Man, I done ran in the grass, man. Got some grass on my tire, man. Come on, cuz. Come on, cuz. No, nah. Get that up off of there. Well, yeah, man, we'll be right back, man. 78 Chevy, boy. Keep it locked. Super dusty, man. That's all right though. We finna get out here. We finna get out here and enjoy that joint, man. Make us a couple of blocks. Yeah, we finna make us a couple of blocks, man. I already know it. That's why I went ahead on bagged it out. Come on. Go with mama. Yeah, man, she's super dusty, man. But we finna turn us a few corners, man. See how dusty she is? Y'all see that dust on there? Super dusty. We'll be back though. Let me run in here and get my iPad. All right. man, we out here riding, man. Just cruising the slab. Going about a good 70, man. Road downtown, it was real dead downtown. Few people out walking and stuff, sitting at the bars, but not a whole lot going on. So now I'm finna cruise on down through Southaven. Might cruise down through Southaven, then might ride up by Happy Mexican, man. See what they got going on up there. Down, sunroof bust open. Out here riding, man. Last little pass we finna make. Finna go down through here. Hold on. Make a little pass down through here by Happy Mexican. Got me a good little cruise in, man. Downtown, Southaven, back to the east. Then, man, we're gonna take it on in, man. We're gonna take it on in after that. Good little cruise. Little therapy, man. I'm glad boss lady talked me into going ahead getting out. Glad she talked me into going ahead getting out doing that, man. Put my girl up. Call it a night, man. Call it a night. Man, boy, them gear be bustin', boy. Boy, them gear be bustin'. Yes, sir. Raggedy, man. Memphis got some of the raggediest streets, boy. I can tell you that. See how I gotta sit up and stuff, man? Boy, these streets will take you out, boy. And some of the streets where you think ain't got no pothole, boy, they got them. They got them out here, man. Yeah, them gears busting. Everything sounding good. I can get me. Oh yeah. I forgot. Scooter bringing us something to eat today. He gone out to grab something to eat with his partners. So he gonna bring us something back to the house. So keep it locked, man. I'm finna make a block through here, through Happy Mexican. All right.